What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. And I will show you how we caught this movement to the upside that brought us from our main entry point, about 70% of potential profit. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when this asset hit about $214 mark, and I've told you that most likely this asset reached its highest point, its swing high, and we have to have a retracement. And because of this, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from its lowest point to its highest point, and my main assumption was that we should unload at the ranges from 0.382 through 0.5 and probably to golden pocket range. It is the range at roughly $149. But instead of this, this asset had another movement to the upside that slightly break this previous swing high, and in my opinion it is nothing else but a false breakout. And we have to be very cautious with our long position because this asset is quite overbought and we have to see the retracement. On top of that, guys, let me remind you that I've made several calls on this asset from this bottom. That was our main entry call at the ranges below $110. Next call was from this point, and the last one was right here at the time when it published its earnings report, right after this date. And from our lowest point, we caught the movement to the upside that brought us about 70% of potential profit. Second entry point gave us about 42% of potential profit, and the third entry point gave us about 13% of potential profit. And I completely missed this movement to the upside, and this movement brought another 18% to its value. But it is totally okay to miss some movements. The main goal is not to lose your money and make some profit. And you will never catch all the trades from the bottom to the top, and that's why it is totally okay with these movements. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And in general, Tesla has quite good major news, upcoming major news that might drive this the price of this asset even higher. And first of all, let me show you this. Tesla Investor Day is key to further stock growth, Morgan Stanley says. And let me quote you these bullets. Tesla Investor Day on March the 1st will be a key factor in furthering the company's stock growth, Morgan Stanley said in a new note to investors. While Tesla stock continues to rebound after a sluggish 2022, Morgan Stanley is undoubtedly impressed with the automaker's recovery in 2023. However, the firm led by analyst Adam Jonas said, the window opportunity has closed in terms of valuation, and Tesla will need to present something relatively substantial at its Investor Day event in March. And in my opinion, on March the 1st, Elon Musk probably will disclose some information about their new model, and in my opinion it might be their mass market model that will be pushed to the market in a matter of next 3 to 4 years. But the more important news should be their new plant, and probably it will be the Mexico plant. And probably on this plant we will have the new model, the mass market model that will be produced there. So, and let me quote you this news. It was published on February 17th on teslarati.com. Tesla Mexico factory announcement imminent. Musk to speak with Mexican President Minister. In recent comments, Mexico Foreign Minister Marcelo Ebrard noted that Tesla is poised to confirm that it has selected Mexico as the location of its new factory. Ebrard also noted that Tesla CEO Elon Musk is looking to speak with Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador about the facility. Very soon we will have a confirmation that this company, which is so important, which is very close to electromobility priorities we are promoting, has chosen Mexico to increase its presence, the top diplomat said. And definitely this might be not the only disclosure on their Investor Day, and probably we might see another major announcements that will push the price of Tesla higher. On top of that, let me show you another article that was published back in the days, on February the 6th, 2023, and it says Tesla price target raised by Whitbush with tax credit and China taking focus. And Whitbush raised its price target from $200 all the way up to $225, and definitely these two increases in price targets of Whitbush and Morgan Stanley also were the catalysts of increasing the Tesla price. In general, let me show you that we have another couple of companies that set their price target on Tesla. One of them is Royal Bank of Canada that boosted the price target and set outperform rating, and they boost the price target from $186 to $223. And Barclays initiated their coverage with the overweight rating and the price target of $275. So in general, these news are very positive. And because of this, we have to be slightly cautious, and I will show you in my technical analysis why I think so. So let me show you some bearish news that was the catalyst for Tesla to go slightly lower. One of them is right here. We are on Yahoo Finance, and right here you can see the article that is titled Tesla recalls 362,758 vehicles over self-driving safety concerns. Stock falls. And let me quote you this. Tesla would recall this number of vehicles due to safety issues with its full self-driving beta software. But Tesla's recall campaign is nothing else but just a software update over the air. And definitely it doesn't cost any money to Tesla to do this recall, and that's why, in my opinion, it cannot be the long-term and bearish catalyst for this company. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, Tesla definitely set some kind of record with this movement to the upside that brought more than 100% to the shareholders during just 1.5 months. But right now we have to be very cautious, because if we switch to weekly time frame, let me show you right here that this asset has 6 green candles in a row, 6 weekly green candles in a row, and this means it has to have some kind of retracement. On top of that, let me switch to daily time frame and show you some indicators. Right here we can find the bearish divergence. We can see on RSI a lower high with the higher high on the price action. On top of that, we are about to see this crossover of these two lines on MACD indicator, and we are about to see the tick to the downside on this momentum indicator. And this means most likely we have more chances to hit lower price targets, and because of this we have to rely on the levels that I marked in my previous video, and we have to adjust this tool just a little bit in order to hit this highest point with the top of the tool. And the levels where we might land are almost the same. It is 0.32, $173.35. Next one, 0.5 at $159.66, and the golden pocket range, the range in between $142.25 and roughly $146. This means if you want to add to your position, to your medium-term long position on Tesla, just wait for this retracement, and these levels will be your accumulation points. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap.